I've noticed recently that there's sort of a divide in AI tools that are out there where there's like the synchronous tools, like code completions and chat, I guess is pretty synchronous because you're asking questions and getting stuff back. And then there's the asynchronous tools that are like the agents where you're delegating tasks to them. And I feel like the synchronous tools were really easy to adopt and didn't have a huge learning curve because there were already a ton of things like it was repeat existing patterns, like ReSharper existed for a long time, which also had that like tab thing or whatever. So there wasn't like a huge learning curve to take them on. But now as I'm trying to find, pursue the 10x developer myth, which I think is definitely a myth because that even the idea of being 10 times more productive gives me anxiety. But as I'm doing that, I'm realizing like there's actually a huge learning curve to learning how to delegate those things out. And so it makes sense that it takes longer to do a lot of those things because I think it's really easy to like use AI tools, but to use them well is really, it takes a lot of time investment to get to the point where like, you've asked yourself, could this be done with AI or not? Enough times that you know what the limitations are and what is faster if you do it yourself versus what's faster if you give it to AI and all the context switching that goes along with it, which is also, problematic and hard to get through.